drowning in orders and spending more time on admin than actually writing? Then this video is for you. We're going to show you how to use Zapier to automate your book sales, freeing you up to focus on what you love, creating amazing content. First, head over to Zapier and create an account. If you don't already have one, click that big Create Zap button to get started. Now, let's set up our trigger. This is the event that kicks off our automation. Choose your e-commerce platform, like Shopify, Gumroad, or even PayPal. Select the new order trigger, so Zapier knows to start working when a new book is purchased. Next, we need an action. Let's add new customers to our email list. Select your email marketing service, MailChimp, ConvertKit, whatever you use. Choose the action, add subscriber, and connect it to the trigger to collect customer emails. Now, let's connect to Google Sheets to track our inventory and sales. Choose Google Sheets as your next action, and then select Create Spreadsheet Row. This will automatically add a new row for each order, including details like the book title, customer name, and date of purchase. And finally, let's streamline shipping. Connect to your preferred shipping service, like Shippo, EasyPost. Set up an action to automatically create a shipping label based on the order details. And that's it. With Zapier, you can automate order processing, customer communication, and inventory management, taking you from chaos to calm, and turning your book sales into a well-oiled machine. Now go write that next bestseller.